In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook view back to normal. If your inbox suddenly looks unfamiliar after an update or a layout change, don't worry, these steps will bring back the classic, clean look you are used to. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. With Outlook open, head to the View tab at the top of the window. The quickest way to undo unwanted changes is to select Reset View. This removes custom tweaks for the folder you are currently in and returns that folder to its default layout. If other folders also look off, click into each one like Inbox, Sent Items, or any custom folders and use Reset View there as well. Next, restore the reading pane to a comfortable position. Still on the View tab, go to Layout, choose Reading Pane, then pick right for the traditional side-by-side view, or bottom if you prefer more space for the message list. Outlook remembers this, per degree Fahrenheit older. So set it where it makes the most sense for you. Now make sure you are using the familiar compact view. On the View tab, click Change View and select Compact. This view shows your sender, subject, date, flags, and categories in a concise way, reducing extra spacing and bringing the message list back to the standard format most people expect. If the view still behaves strangely, maybe columns won't stick, sorting keeps changing, or folders open with odd layouts, use Outlook's built-in repair command. Close Outlook completely. Press the Windows key and R to open the Run box. Type outlook.exe/cleanviews. Then press Enter. Outlook will restart and rebuild all view settings. Keep in mind that this resets custom views across all mail folders, so any highly personalized layouts will be cleared. The upside is that you get a fresh, stable starting point with default views. Finally, if you are in the new Outlook experience and want the classic interface back, look to the top right of the window and turn off the New Outlook toggle. Confirm if prompted and Outlook will switch back to the classic desktop experience. Your emails and data stay the same. Only the interface changes. That's all you need. Thanks for watching.